You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.
Welcome to the Hot Options Report, your premier source for insight into the fast-moving options market. Each day, we'll track down the products that are dominating the options chains and impacting your trading account. From Apple to VIX and everything in between, if it's lighting up the options tape, then you'll find it on the Hot Options Report. If you're listening to this show, chances are you're pretty serious about options trading. So let me put something on your radar. Public. It's the most cost-effective way to trade options. That's because Public is the only platform that gives you rebates on your options trades. They also have some of the industry's lowest index options fees. Whether you're placing single leg or complex multi-leg trades, every dollar counts. Check out public.com/optionsbrief and discover the most cost-effective way to trade options. Paid for by Public Investing. Full disclosures in podcast description. And now, get ready to scan the tape for the most explosive options activity on the street. It's time for the Hot Options Report.
All right, welcome to the Hot Options Report for Thursday, August 7th. No live shows on the network this week, but you know what? We're not going to leave you hanging here. We're doing some quick option spotlights this week on some of the names you folks love to trade. And next up on our list, we have Microsoft. Now, if you listen to the Hot Options Report from last week, you know that Microsoft came in hot on the earnings front, blowing through all the strikes to the upside, including the hot option that we profiled heading into their earnings last week. So it's been a wild time in Microsoft options right now. Let's look back over the past year really quickly. Some of the range we saw, the low for Microsoft coming, take a guess when, April 8th, 354.56. The high coming just last week, July 31st, 533.50. Quite the range for this juggernaut name. What about highs and lows in terms of options volume? When were folks trading options? When weren't they? The low for options volume in Microsoft came on July 8th, interestingly enough. Just 120,000 contracts. That's not much for Microsoft at all. The high, listeners, came on January 30th of this year. Microsoft putting up 1.16 million contracts. That's a hot day for Microsoft. Again, it can't compare to the Teslas and Nvidias of the world, but a pretty hot day nonetheless. Put call indicator, some folks like it. The low for that, 0.13, came on May 14th. The high on August 2nd of last year, listeners. Interesting timing, 1.13. Vol-wise, what was the low in vol? 16.3% came on June 6th of this year, D-Day. And of course, the high, you could probably guess, April 8th, a little bit shy of 50%. Doesn't sound like a lot, but that's actually pretty high for Microsoft. All right, number 5 in Microsoft right now, 18, almost 19,000 of the August 550 calls. Number 4, 20,000 of the March 550 puts. So 550 strike getting a lot of love both in August and in March on different sides of the ball. Number 3, 21,000 of the August 525 calls. Number 2, 29,000 of the January 520s. And the number 1 size open position in Microsoft options right now, 29, almost 30,000 of the November 515 calls. And that's going to do it for your quick options spotlight for Microsoft. Stay tuned to the Hot Options Report for one more Hot Options Spotlight coming at you tomorrow, and then back again with your regularly scheduled program, same bat time, same bat channel, next Monday for the Hot Options Report. And stay safe out there, everybody.
Check out public.com/optionsbrief and discover the most cost-effective way to trade options. Paid for by Public Investing. Full disclosures in podcast description.